I was inspired to teach Welsh because I lived in Wales and could never speak Welsh. To teach now through the medium of Welsh is obviously the challenge. I think it's really exciting to have a challenge as well, but I just want to show that I've been through the journey myself and to show the children that I'm teaching that Wales and Welsh is cool. Mae dysgu yn just llawer o hwyl. Mae'n cyfle I rhannu gyda pobl ifanc a rhannu straeon a ein bywyd ni gyda nhw. Mae'n bwysig iawn bod y plant yn gallu siarad Cymraeg ac yn dysgu am Cymru yn fy marn I hefyd. To those thinking about a career in teaching, I think it's just a really fun career. You have fun every day, things change every day. There is never one day that is the same, and you can share what you've been through with children and share your life and the Welsh language with children. I think that's really important to be a role model for them as well.